Nya ASEAN, nya the electric scooty. Mat kalawe jong ya shaka. One shot Quincy Waters jumping shulo. Pat kaliang no shaka eight hamunagas.
Wemele kamausan ram uba aulan sing sun ulas ngokia halo kijing yakan art ke India pa Pakistan ka ba la ban ktaru ayaka kaput hagata in mausan ram ka badon bat ka Bangladesh ba kran mentagas ni ba sun ula ong ba ka mausan ram ka don art li ki yo kaput pat kani kijing yakan art ka la ban kta yaka kamai ka ji jong ki breo namar ka don ru kijing long jingman bat ka jing bam sngo tanat hapling ke India pat ka Bangladesh shwa ba kan don kani kijing yakan art hapling ke India pa ka Pakistan ulong ma kijing si sha ki babun ki kaput ka mausan ram la depan ke sainar shalut pat ki basa de satang hakiwa pat ki khindiat benta laban pau ya kijing sngo kya ya kijing wan trung tu jong ki breo na pa Bangladesh sha India Henry kam dan than ka jing tieng namar ba ki pai pa ka kaput ya trailang pat ki sipai jong BSF.
Yes, I also concerned regarding my constituency for the any towards infiltration or influx by the foreign national from Bangladesh, since there is a tension between India and Pakistan. But in my block, so far as concerned, it is fenced except in some rivers and big rivers that it is not fenced properly. But it's not so much. There is not so much fear if the BSF and or residents that are cooperate, they have a close cooperation between them, coordination with the BSF, because almost all the fence is except the river. So if there is a coordination between the BSF personnel and the local residents, I think we can check and we can have a vigilant on this. Yes, exactly. That is the right point what you're speaking about. Because in my constituency, we have two border huts, one at Ruku and one at Lalpani. Since there is a tension between India and Bangladesh, now tension with Pakistan, this border has come to a standstill. There is no transaction, business stop, income generation activities stop. So it is a major concern because most of our people in border, they have income from the border transaction. Border hut transaction. Yes, we have a long stretch of border territory with Bangladesh. So it is not only due to the tension with Pakistan. There was also a tension prior to the tension with Pakistan. There was a tension between India and Bangladesh regarding this rioting and Muslim and Hindus, and due to this, the border hut also came to a close, totally close. So I do not know. There may be more ramification when there is the tension between India and Pakistan. There may be more ramification. So we have to be careful. We have to be vigilant on our border territory. And I do know what about the opening of the border hut. We cannot say. And the government is also, our government is also taking serious on this matter. And we are hopeful that the dialogue and negotiation between the central and our state may take place any time. But